Hi there, this is a video about slant asymptotes. A slant asymptote occurs when the degree in a rational function, when your degree is big in your numerator divided by your degree is small. Okay, so when your degrees are the same, it's the ratio of leading coefficients. If your degree is small up top and big down below, then you have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. So when you always kind of notice this when your degree is big up top versus degree is small, then you're going to have a slant asymptote. All right, and figuring out what that is can be a little bit tricky, but let's take a look at a question here. So looking at this this rational function here, we've got x squared minus 4x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. And when you have something like this and you're trying to figure out, well, what's my slant asymptote, notice that your degree is 2 up top and your degree down here is 1. So when you have something like this, you know you're going to have a slant asymptote because of that. One thing to think about is, can you simplify this? And so if we factor the numerator, that's going to be x minus 1 times x minus 3, okay? And that's over x plus 1. So nothing divides out here in this, so we can't simplify this rational function as is. And again, we just want to find the slant asymptote, so let's take a look on how we do that. In order to do that, you want to do long division, all right? And you want to do x plus 1 there and put x squared minus 4x plus 3 down here. And as we do that, what we get, so x times what gives us x squared? That's just going to give us an x. So multiply that. So x times x is x squared plus 1x, which is just x, and then we subtract the quantity from that. So x squared minus x squared cancels out. Negative 4x minus an x gives us a negative 5x. And then drop down your 3. All right, so we've got plus 3 down here. Let's repeat that process. So x times what gives us negative 5x? That's going to give us a value of negative 5. And so from here, negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Go ahead and subtract that quantity. Negative 5x minus a negative 5x is going to cancel out and give us 0. And then 3 minus a negative 5 is going to give us a positive 8. All right, so that's our remainder. And the reason why I do this is because when we do this division, this is our quotient. All right, we get x minus 5. All right, and so this is our slant asymptote. All right, asymptote. All right, and so that's the equation y equals x minus 5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph our original function in Desmos. I'm also going to graph our slant asymptote function to verify that this is in fact our slant asymptote. So let's check that into Desmos. All right, and so once I type in our original function g of x, and that's the graph in red, and you can see how you do get a slant asymptote from that. When I type in y equals x minus 5, our quotient from doing the division here, that's what gives us our slant asymptote in blue. All right, and so that's how you would figure out what a slant asymptote is. So hopefully this video helps. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.